Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and we just finished filming over 100 videos on the Bernina 560 sewing machine and embroidery machine. But I want to show you something that's coming up soon. So over at sewingmastery.com, we do have something called Embroidery Essentials that we have filmed. It's an online course. It is coming soon. So as of this second, it is not up and live yet. But let me tell you what it is. So if you want to truly master your embroidery machine, we will be doing this entire project that is 15 different embroidery techniques all done on this machine. So we actually have some other little samples here that we've done. Here's one all with metallic threads, but you're going to be learning things like trapunto with your embroidery machine, shadow work, cut work, applique, landscape, piecing in the hoop, and doing confetti designs. Plus, we will have some extra bonus material depending on when you sign up that you will have access to. So if you're interested in my online course that will be coming, it is called Embroidery Essentials. Hop over to sewingmastery.com and sign up on the email list. And as soon as we debut that class, which should be sometime in 2017 in the first quarter, we are getting it ready. It is all filmed and ready to go. We just are working on the back end, getting things going. So check out all extra 100+ videos on this machine. And if you've got questions, remember, do contact your local Bernina dealer, but drop us a line, tell us how much you enjoyed the videos. All right, have fun sewing on the Bernina 560 machine.